Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable dialogue enhancer on your XIAOMI Smart L1. Dialogue enhancer will change how dialogues are spoken. They will be just louder than the environmental sound in the video, so you can hear the dialogues a bit more. And to do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to sound. Now go almost all the way down to dialogue enhancer. Now you can set it to off, low, medium or high. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.